Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. So this solution is also applicable for Windows 10, so don't worry, and you have to just follow my screen, don't miss any steps. We will fix this issue together. First of all, you need to go to the search bar and type your control panel and click here to open it. Once we're here on this window, you need to select view by as large icons. If you selected previously category, so select these large icons and just scroll down and select the sound. Once we are here, you need to try to disable the speakers and again enable it. You have to just right click on the speakers, you will get this more options, so enable it now. Now select this one, go to properties. On this window, select the level staff. Firstly, we will increase the speakers volume up to the 100%, and now select the enhancements, and you have to check this box, that is disable all enhancements. Once done, click on apply and then OK. Now go to services, so you have to right click on this start icon, select run and type your services.msc. So you have to type this one and then click on OK. Again, you have to find out the performance logs and alerts service, so you have to just scroll down until we found that performance logs and alerts. Here it is. So right click on it, select properties. If you want to enable it, so startup type, select the startup type as automatic, then click on apply and then OK, and restart the service. Then close this window and just restart the system. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video and please check out the pinned comment, that will also help you a lot to fix this issue, and please subscribe the channel. You're good to go.